What up, y'all? It's your boy Nick Dub, back with some more MetaQuest tips for 2025. Let's get right into it. Today, we are doing native, that's right, native APK install. No phone, no PC, none of that garbage. We're doing it all in VR. Let's get right to it. As we're going to go to the internet, because the internet has everything. So we're going to search for APK Pure, which is my preferred choice. We only came here for one thing, and that's APK Pure itself. I'm going to go ahead and hit download, close out this ad. Alright, our download is rolling. Alright, so the next step is to go to the store, the Meta store that is, which I already have it on here. You want Mobile VR Station. And it's free to download right in the Meta store. No questions asked. At least not by me, not by Zuck, not by anybody. So once you have your Mobile VR Station, now I'm not sure if this still applies or not, but I did learn this the very first time I learned this method, so I'm going to show you guys too, just in case. We want to go to Android Fixes, Configuration Wizard. We want Show All Options. We want to now go to Configure Manage All Files. We want Enable Manage All Files. And we want to go ahead and tick the permission to allow it to access to manage all files. And we can go ahead and close that out once we give it permission. Hit close. We can verify it if we want. All files is turned on. Okay, next, we'll back out one folder. We want to configure scoped storage. Okay, don't worry about none of this. That's all there for show. We want this bottom one right here, configure scoped storage. Now, we want to request access. Okay, once we request access, we want to go to the root folder, the Quest 3. Then we will find our downloads. Okay, and we'll go ahead and install our APK that we just got. We'll hit continue, install. And once that's done, we're almost out of the woods. As you can see, I've done this a couple other times. Anyway, we'll go ahead and close that out. It should launch you back to your home environment. If not, just go ahead and close the app out. We now want to go to our unknown sources folder. That's right. And there she is in all her glory. And yes, we could put this in theater mode. We can resize it. We can go out of theater mode. We can resize it. Whatever you want to do. It's just asking us if we want to update. No, not right now. Okay, so now that we're here, let's go ahead and look, I don't even got to search for one. I'll just go ahead and pick Amazon Shopping just because. Now, I do want to point out that anything that requires Google Play services to run or sign in or update, such as the Google Play Store, certain games from Google Play, Gmail, things like that, Chrome, they're not going to work particularly because of the Google Play services. You can install Google Play services and Google Play Store on here all day long, but it doesn't work. For what reason, I don't know. I'm not the guy to ask that. But if you have any thoughts, drop them in the comments and let the rest of us know, because, you know, it's always nice to learn something new. Okay, so now it's going to ask us to allow to install from this source, which we want to hit yes, of course, because APK is the one doing all the work. And we'll go back, wait for it to extract, hit install. Now that our app is installed, we'll go ahead and close that out. Go back to the unknown sources folder if you're not already there. And there is our Amazon Shopping. Go ahead and open that up. And we're not going to sign in. And this too, we can put it in theater mode, curved window or flat window, lighting, and resizable, just like most other windows. Okay, let's go ahead and search for something. Let's go ahead and search for power banks. And there's our power banks. And best part of all, no more shopping in the real world. We can do it all within VR. No more pesky reality to be getting in the way of, our shopping frenzies and whatnot. Alright guys, if this tutorial helped you out and you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that good jazz. Share it with your friends. Send it to your family. The Whateva channel, you know where it's at. I'll catch you all next time. Happy questing.